Hello everyone, I am Jessamine Espiritu and welcome to my vlog! For today's vlog, I want to talk about something very important, the sacredness of human life. Human life is a gift from God, and as a member of Iglesia Ni Cristo, we believe that life must be valued and protected. The Bible teaches us that God is source of life. In Acts 17:28 it says, "For in Him we live and move and have our being." This reminds us that we exist because of God. Hindi aksidente ang buhay natin. It is given with purpose. The Holy Scriptures also tells us that life is sacred because we are created by God. In Genesis 2:7 it says, "Then the Lord God formed man of the dust of the ground and breathed into his nostril the breath of life, and man became a living being." From here, we learn that life came from God breath. That means ang bawat isa ay mahalaga at dapat igalang regardless of age, background, or situation. As INC members, we uphold that we must care for one another, help those in need, avoid harming together, and live in accordance with God's commandments. We show that we value life when we choose peace, love, obedience, and compassion. If you learned something today, please like, share, and continue spreading positivity and respect for human life. God bless po and thank you for watching!